रेस दे के रखो।
Thank you very much, yaar.
No worries, bro. No worries. Oh boy. KTM RC 390 Ronin Simarjeet Singh is at the highest bridge in Asia.
सत श्री अकाल।
This is your fucking captain speaking.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the day 2 in Kaza. Right now, the time is 9:49. Let's say 10 o'clock in the morning, and we are all set to leave for our today's adventure. Yesterday, we went towards the market. I showed you the market as well, and we bought a few postcards. The reason why we bought few postcards and I bought few fridge magnets as well. I'll post a video overlay on the screen so that you can have a look. The reason why we bought that is because today we are gonna be traveling towards, let me tell you, Hikim and Comic. Now these two villages are the highest villages in the world, and the post office that is operational at Hikim village is the highest post office in the world. So what I've planned to do is I have prepared 5 letters, 5 postcards basically, and I'm gonna send that to my close friends. Now I have already messaged them last night that if this kind of thing gets received by you, then it is something that I have sent you from Hikim. So yeah, that is the plan. But apart from that, there are few more things that we have to do today. First one is Chicham Bridge. Now Chicham Bridge is again the highest bridge in the Asia. So that is where we're gonna first travel to. Our first destination point for today is going to be Chicham Bridge. After that, we're gonna come back towards Kibber, and then there's a key monastery that we have to visit. These 3 places are on one side, and then we're gonna come back towards Kaza, and then we're gonna take a detour towards the other place, which is going to be Langza, Comic and Hikim, which is the post office place and everything. So this is the plan for today. Earlier we decided that we're gonna start our day a bit early, like around 8 o'clock in the morning. But when we woke up in the morning, it was -7, -8 degrees Celsius over here, and it was freezing cold. So we decided let's wait for a little while, let the sun come out, and after that we're gonna continue with our ride towards our destinations for today. Today is the second day of Kaza. Yesterday we came here around 4 o'clock. You have seen that video. And very sadly, I have to say this. Tomorrow we're going to be starting from here towards our way back towards Delhi. Our first stop is going to be most probably Rampur or Narkanda, and after that we're gonna have a big stretch from Rampur or Narkanda towards Delhi. So that is the plan for now. Now we're gonna I'm just waiting for rest of the group members to get out of the room, and then we're gonna get our bikes cold started. We also have to get our bikes refilled because they are running low on fuel, as I mentioned yesterday. And there's only one fuel station over here in Kaza. And from Kaza, if you are traveling back towards Nako and everything, then the next fuel station that you will get is in Poo. So you have to plan according to that. It is close to 170 odd kilometers, so make sure you plan according to that. But so far so good. Let's wait for the others to come up, and after that we're gonna start from here towards our journey towards Chicham Bridge and other places that I mentioned. So
Alright boys, so we are all set to leave. Our bikes are ready, and today we do not have to carry any luggage. By the way, let me show you one thing. I forgot to mention that in the intro of today's video. This is the homestay that we are living at. On the first floor we have all our rooms, and on the ground floor there's the owner that is living over here. We had a beautiful dinner last night, and again in the morning we had a beautiful breakfast. I'll put some videos on the screen so that you can have a look, and I'll also leave their details in the description. So if you're ever coming to Kaza, you can contact them and you can have your beautiful stay over here. Alright, Chicham Bridge is alright. Coming on to today's point, Chicham Bridge is from here where we are standing 20 kilometers, and it's going to take us 40-45 minutes. Let's take 1 hour. So the time right now is 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:10. Beautiful. And we are all set to leave. Let's get our bikes refilled, and then we're going to continue towards the Chicham Bridge and the other places that I mentioned.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season.
All right, here we are. So this is the Cheecham Bridge. Let me stop over here to give you a sneak peek. This is the Cheecham Bridge, right in front of you. And somewhere over there, Sumit will be waiting for me. Now let's start from here. I hope the Insta360 is rolling. Let's continue from here and move across the Cheecham Bridge. Alright boys, burn this image in your mind. Burn this image in your mind. Oh boy. KTM RC390 Ronin Simarjeet Singh is at the highest bridge in Asia. Oh boy. It's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful, beautiful feeling. Thank you, Papaji. Thank you so much. Burn this image in your mind. Alright, let's get out of gears and take some pictures over there. Alright boys, so we're done over here with the Cheecham Bridge and everything. We took some beautiful pictures. All those pictures you're gonna see on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me over there, then do follow me over there. Now our next is Key Monastery. So let's start from here towards Key Monastery. Where a bag? I was about to forget my bag, and this is what happens when you are so indulgent taking photos that you forget your things. So don't be like this. Anyways, let's continue from here towards Key Monastery, and I'll see you guys on the road.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2.
Alright boys, time for a quick update. We have almost reached Kibber. Now talking about Kibber, Kibber is basically a town or a village you can say, and there's nothing much to do over here. There's a Kibber Wildlife Sanctuary as you can see over here in this on this board, but with the interest of time we are not gonna be going ahead to explore the wildlife sanctuary. We are gonna go ahead and basically go towards the town, have a look around there, and then turn back towards the Key Monastery. Simply because we do not have much time. We started very late in the morning, and we do have a lot of many places to cover, and we do not want to miss the post office. I really don't want that post office to close down by the time we reach over there. So let's continue with the ride, head towards the Kibber town or the village, and I'll show you if there is something to show over there, if there is something unique, and if there is something that we have not seen in any of the villages up till now in the Spiti, in the entire Spiti trip. So yeah, let's go towards the Kibber. So this is Kibber town. As you can see right in front of you, this is Kibber town. Kibber 0 kilometers. So we have finally reached Kibber now. It is written over here as well. So let's quickly take some pictures and we're gonna continue towards Key Monastery.
Alright boys, so we are finally here at the Key Monastery. It's a long way track up to the monastery, so let's go over there. And yeah, I'm not going to be talking because it's really difficult to talk and walk over here. So I'll see you guys at the top. Sat Shri Akal.
4 बजे तक खेला खुला के लेकिन अब एक तो यहीं बच गया।
Alright boys, time for a quick update. The time right now is 1:20 in the afternoon, and we are done with the Key Monastery. Although we did not explore the entire monastery simply because we do not have much time. Our biggest mistake today was to start late in the day, late in the morning. We started at around 10 o'clock in the morning, which was our biggest mistake, I would say. And because of that, we did not get much time. We actually get plenty of time at Cheecham Bridge, but because we started late, we did not get free space at Cheecham Bridge, simply because there were a lot of tourists over there. But it is what it is. We cannot do anything about that. And also because of that, since the time is running short, we did not get to explore the Key Monastery entirely. We went up till one of the prayer rooms, and that is all. But apart from that, we did not get to explore the entire monastery. But having said that, now I'm really excited because this is my daily one effort. How there it is. Lovely Ronin, lovely. Having said that, now we are headed towards Hikkim, which is going to be 27 kilometers. Hikkim is the place where we have the world's highest post office. I am a bit scared, to be very honest. The time right now is 1:30, or let's say 2 o'clock, and it will take us approximately 1.5 hours to reach Hikkim. It is 30 odd kilometers from this Key Monastery, from where we started. And the reason why I'm scared is because the post office closes at around 4 o'clock in the evening. So if we do not get there by time, let's not think about that. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I really want to go there and post the postcards that I prepared yesterday, because that is on the topmost of my priority list, to be very honest. There's another destination, or you can say hotspot, which we are gonna skip as of now, which is Langza. I will put a picture over here on the screen. Langza is a place where we have the biggest Buddha statue, but simply because we don't have much time, we're gonna skip that for now. And also, to go towards Langza, we have to take a detour of basically 5-7 odd kilometers, which will again take us approximately half an hour or so. So at the end of the day, if we do Langza as well, and then we continue towards Hikkim, by the time we reach Hikkim, there is a high possibility that the post office over there will be closed, which is something that I really do not want. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that by the time we reach Hikkim, the post office is open and our post get posted successfully, and at that point I will be very happy. So having said that, let's continue with the journey towards Hikkim, and yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenery, enjoy the beautiful roads of Spiti Valley. I'm gonna leave you with a beautiful music now.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Take a moment, take a small moment to look at this landscape. Just look at it and then look at this. It's a beautiful life, man. It's a beautiful life. I love you, Papaji. I love you. Let's continue towards Comic, which is 11 kilometers, 11. Let's continue towards Comic and yeah, send the postcards to our loved ones, to my beautiful friends, my beautiful kids. I know they'll be watching this video and they'll be saying, oh yeah, you are my kid. I wish there's signal reception at top so that I can call my family and take them on a video call, because this is something that I want to live with all of them, with all of them. Let's continue. I'll see you guys at the top, at the post office or the comic village, whichever comes first, because the GoPro battery is about to dead and I want to shoot that particular section where I'm just about to reach the comic village. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a short while. All right. Finally. हाँ, नीचे जाना है.
मेन पोस्ट ऑफिस है, चिट्ठी पोस्ट करनी है यहाँ पे.
चिट्ठी वगैरह यहाँ से होती है, नीचे होके फिर ऊपर आते हैं.
Alright boys, so we are finally here at the Hikkim village, world's highest post office, and look at the view around here. Ronin and me made it up to various places in the world, or not world, in India, and my companion Sumit. So now let's go inside. We have all the letters that we want to post and let's get them posted. After that we're gonna head towards comic.
कहाँ चिपकाएंगे आप?
हम यहाँ चिपका देंगे ना. ये दो लगाने होते हैं एक पे.
नहीं सारे लगाने सर, सारे लगाने हैं. हाँ
अच्छा ऐसे.
हाँ आपकी कार है कितना? 10.
इसको चिपकाना हो इससे
ये
होगी ना.
इस तरह करते हैं. कमी हो गया होगा. हाँ वही.
Alright boys, so the letters are posted. As you can see over here, the stamp of Hikkim, and over here, this is the world's highest post office, and we are all done over here. Now we're gonna go towards Comic Village, and with that I believe the Spiti trip comes to an end. But I'm not gonna close the video right here, right now. Let's go explore Comic Village, and there are a few things that I would like to talk about, and I'm gonna close this video when we go back towards Kaza and we are at the hotel room. Then I'm gonna maybe close the video, because tomorrow we're gonna start from here, from Kaza towards Delhi basically. So let's go towards Comic Village and I'll see you guys over there.
Alright boys, time for a quick update. We are done with the posting of our letters and postcards, and yeah, it was a beautiful experience. The post office is at 14,000 something feet above sea level, and I feel really happy right now. I feel really happy. Now we are headed towards Comic Village, which is just above the Hikim village where the post office was. Not that far away, but just a little bit above the Comic Village. Oh, sorry, Hikim village. And the road that goes towards Comic Village is like this, as you can see, full of potholes, slush, mud. It is basically an off-road track, not at all a road. No tarmac, zero tarmac. But I believe as we move closer towards the top, this off-road track will connect us with the main road, which does have a tarmac road. So let's see if that is the case, because now I believe we are done with all the off-roading and I really want to enjoy some good tarmac roads. But having said that, no regrets, man, no regrets, zero regrets in life, because such kind of experience you do not get again and again. So I'm open to all the challenges, I'm open to all the experiences that Spiti has for me, and yeah, so far so good and beautiful. The Insight 360 is dead, so I do not have the battery for that. But yeah, from here we Comic here. So the tarmac road has started. Let's continue on the tarmac road towards Comic Village, take some pictures over there and call it a day. After that we're gonna head towards Kaza and we're gonna have a good shower, because the mind is filled with beautiful memories, but the body is filled with dirt and slush. So yeah, let's continue. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I'm not gonna be able to show you anything related to 1 kilometer, so I believe we are almost here. World's highest cafe. I think we are here. Highest. Comic is the world's highest motorable village in the world. Another achievement added to the books. Oh boy. Comic is the world's highest motorable village in the world. Oh boy, I'm happy. I'm over the moon. Oh boy. Thank you so much, Babaji. Thank you so much for everything. Let me show you this thing. You look at this board. Highest village in the world, connected with motorable road at altitude of 4,587 meters. I'll convert that into feet and put it up on the screen, but let's take a picture over here and call it a day. Thank you so much for being my companion. And yeah, let's take the pictures, and all the pictures that we'll take, you're gonna see that on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there. की होया? चल नहीं रही, स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही। सेल्फी नहीं ले रही।
ब्रेक तो बहुत देर से नहीं ले रही, लेकिन कम से पहले बैटरी से चालू हो रही थी,
अच्छा
नहीं हो रही। हमने तो काजा से रेंट करी, यहाँ आए थे रेंट पे लिए। हाँ अरे वो बैटरी डाउन, फ्यूल पंप चल नहीं रहा, बैटरी डाउन। बाहर निकाल दो ना, जब बैटरी स्टार्ट करो।
इंजेक्टर है ना, लो बैटरी लो। वी हैव अ स्पेयर बैटरी, वी हैव अ स्पेयर बैटरी, वी कैन जंप स्टार्ट, वी हैव अ स्पेयर बैटरी।
Maybe like even the fuel pump का
ये फ्यूल पंप का वो लगा था, इसमें कचरा तो नहीं आ रहा।
कितनी देर से चल रही थी?
बहुत देर से नहीं चल
बहुत देर से नहीं चल भी रही है ना,
हाँ
मिसिंग मार रही है, मिसिंग मार रही है।
हाँ, फ्यूल पंप का हो सकता है।
इंजेक्टर का इशू आ गया होगा, कुछ गया होगा, नहीं लग रहा होगा ना, तुमको फोन करके बुला लो। नहीं ये तो चल रहा है यहाँ पे,
उस साइड है, हटना बाजी।
ऐसे लग जाएगी,
ऐदा कि तो लगेगी।
दोनों के सामने आ गए, प्लस माइनस।
तेरे को तार हैगी है? तार तो बैग च पई सी।
बैग में डाली थी ना।
एक मिनट रुक जाओ ना, हो जाएगा।
बैटरी डिफरेंट है ना, तो ये मालूम नहीं बैटरी अलग से सेम है।
ले आओ बैटरी, लेके आओ।
क्या रही
जब मैं बोलूंगा ना सेल्फ मारना।
ये राम
चाबी दे देना,
लगा दो, चाबी लगा दो
वो उसके अंदर।
बस
हाँ साइड वाले चैन में तेरे वो किट वाला नहीं है।
बस मारो। नहीं
नहीं है,
देखना लाइट आ रही है न्यूट्रल की।
हाथ दो
चालू हो गया ना।
प्लीज बिचाओ, प्लीज बिचाओ और फिर स्टार्ट
सेल्फ खराब है, वो किक मारो।
मारो, प्लीज बिचाओ, प्लीज बोल दे वो है ना सर, गियर में है ना सर,
शुरू कर। शुरू कर दो ना भाई, पहले
न्यूट्रल है, न्यूट्रल है।
क्लच को दबा,
एक बार वो मारना सेल्फ।
ट्यूब लगाओ, भाई हटा के लगाना दोबारा।
लगी हुई है। नहीं उससे नहीं होगा फर्क। सेल्फ मारना एक बार छाट के, सेल्फ खराब है। मारो एक बार किक मारो। एक मिनट रुकना, मैनू ए दस ना फ्यूल पंप चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा।
एकदम आवाज आती रही है,
3 2 1
चल गया ना, चल गया। काट के देख लो ना पाइप।
नहीं आ रहा, चलो एक और मारो। एक मिनट रुक जाओ, जो मैं बोलूंगा ना किक मारना, मारो। मारो। नहीं
क्योंकि जब से वहां से लात लगा के ला रहे हैं, हालत खराब होगी।
एक सेकंड रुको।
तो पोस्ट ऑफिस कर देगा, वन लार्जेस्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस।
फ्यूज है, डन है।
तेरे चले
मैं अपने में से एक्स्ट्रा निकालता हूँ। एक मिनट रुक जाओ पाजी, 15 लिखे ना 15। अरे एक्स्ट्रा है क्या मेरे को?
कायदा फिर उसके बाद
आगे तो 2 पैक मारूंगा गुरु देखो ना।
बाकी सही है।
इसके और चला तू रब्दा नाला वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा
वाहेगुरु दी
एक बार चाबी लगाओ। करके देखना सेल्फ चल रहा है।
चार्जर उठा लो अभी वो गैप तो
चल गई, स्टार्ट होगी।
ला ला ला
रेस दे के रखो।
धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच यार।
नो वरीज ब्रो, नो वरीज।
ये बेचारा अपनी मेमोरी लेके जाएगा पेरिस वापस।
फॉलो माय ट्रेस चैनल।
मेन चीज है
बस सिंगर पाजी बस हमें तो पता ही नहीं था आप टेक्नीशियन है यार। कैसे लेके लो यार अभी
चलो थैंक यू सो मच भाई।
नो वरीज ब्रो, टेक केयर, आराम से जाओ, ठीक है। All right bro, take care, ride safe.
थैंक यू
No worries, no worries. Alright boys, so with this we come to the end of this trip, end of the series. Last night when we came back to our homestay, I was dead tired. So I decided to take a power nap, which ended up resulting into 1 or 2 hours of sleep. And by the time we woke up, it was already very dark and we decided that there's no point in ending the video right now. So this thought came to my mind. Why not end the video the same way we started the video, right? Which is what I'm doing right now. I'm riding back from Kaza towards Delhi. Yes, you heard that right. Back from Kaza towards Delhi. And this marks the end of this trip. Having said that, Kaza has been beautiful. Spiti, entire Spiti, Tabor, Nako, Poo, every destination that we went to, it has been beautiful. I'm totally in love with this place. And of course, I love you, Ronan. Having said that, now it's time to say goodbye and close this video. But before that, let me share one thing. I tried making this video, this series, as unfiltered and as raw as possible. All the emotions that I was feeling, I tried putting them into the video with whatever words I had in my mind. Now, if you did resonate with all the emotions and the words that I was saying, then you know the drill. A like to the video will be appreciated. A subscribe to the channel will be loved. And yeah, having said that, let's close this video right now. But before that, I would also like to share one more thing. All the things that I shared about the past 1.5 years in the first video, it's all part of life. The reason why I shared that is because I wanted to share this one thing. I live by this quote, this too shall pass. Now this applies to all the things, the highs and the lows, the ups and the downs, everything. If you're going through a very rough patch of your life, very low phase, remember this too shall pass. But also, if you are going through a very good phase of your life, you are sailing through each and every obstacle, you are flying on the seventh sky, then remember this too shall pass. In the very lows, ask God for strength, and in the very highs, thank God for everything that He is doing for you. And yeah, that is what I wanted to share. It's all part of life, the highs and the lows, the ups and the downs. We should always welcome that. We should always cherish that, because if our life would be a straight line, then we would be dead, right? So yeah, having said that, let's close this video right here, right now, on a very positive note. Let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Last but not least, I want to thank me.